quick video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can play YouTube video on your home screen. Somewhere around here, there, wherever you want it to, just on a pop-up screen or PiP function. To be able to play that video on your home screen, you need YouTube Premium subscription. With this normal YouTube player, you cannot play that because you need to buy YouTube Red or YouTube Premium. Without using that, you can also do this. First, go to Play Store, then search here Samsung Internet Browser. Literally, you need to use Samsung Internet Browser. I have already installed that. You guys can see that. So you need to install this. Once you guys install it, open this application, continue, and go to YouTube. Switch this YouTube on desktop mode because it will not work if you are on m.youtube. To switch this, very easy. Tap on this three burger icon, then tap on this desktop icon. This will switch YouTube on desktop mode. Now try to play any video that you wanted to. Let me play Iris and play the video. Now let me play a video. Alright, you guys notice that it pop up like this blue icon. If you stop the video, it will not work because you need to play the video in background. Alright, to be able to work with this, you need to tap on this blue icon. So you will see this blue arrow icon. It will pop only if you play the video. You can see that. Now I'm playing the video. Now I can go this full screen mode. Once you guys have gone to full screen mode, you need to keep playing the video. If you go back right now, it will not work. As you guys can see that, you need to go to your Samsung browser once again. Tap on this blue icon once again. Make sure that you guys are playing video. Then tap on this minimize button. Here you go. You are now on home screen with YouTube. You can see that the video is right now on my home screen. You can play this easily. Alright, I can also zoom this or zoom out, or you can only use this on vertical mode only because this is PiP function. Now you can go to any browser if you wanted to, keep that playing, or you can chat or do whatever any tasks that you wanted to. This is a PiP function video for you guys to get easy on YouTube while watching and also browsing or chatting. This is how you can do it. To go back to YouTube on browser, go full screen, then you need to go back. There you go, you are right now on a Samsung browser once again. So this is it, guys. This is how you can play YouTube video on your background on your home screen. It's that simple. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next one. Peace.